remove, and we'll get into it later.
So.
So, first thing to note is the last normal day will be, I think, September 11th.
Yep.
Will be the last regular day for Mean Streak. Then, September 12th to September 16th, it will be open only 6 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Just on September 16th. Friday, September 16th. Just open for 1 hour for people to go and get a last ride on Mean Streak.
Yep.
Probably going to be really big lines for that, I bet.
Mm-hmm.
But Mean Streak hasn't had big lines in a long time, so maybe some people will start getting in line now.
Yeah. But that's just because it's the last ride. It's not because, oh, this is so special. It wouldn't be like that if it wasn't the last day open.
Nope.
But it is 6 to 7 p.m. Then at 7:30, they will do a little thing to celebrate it.
Ceremony where they walk from Frontier Town back where Mean Streak is, all the way up to the
front gate where the
Dead Ride Cemetery is.
Where Mantis and stuff is.
And we put Mean Streak in the Dead Ride Cemetery.
Yep.
What goes in there, though? We don't know yet. Nobody knows yet.
And so the video showed this guy chopping down the wood of Mean Streak.
Does that mean you think that they're going to completely rip it out of there? Or do they just come in and maybe GCI redoes the tracks? Maybe the ARMC it. Maybe they totally rip it down.
I personally think it's going to be a GCI or RMC. And actually, I bet it's an RMC. Because, you know why? The track, I don't know if GCI will reuse the wooden supports. Because I've never seen it in action. Now I know RMC does, so that's why I'm thinking RMC.
I know a lot of people have commented, a lot of people are hoping that it gets the RMC treatment, and I think that would be great. It's a nice looking coaster, it's just too rough.
I know. It's one of the two Brutal Twins, in my opinion.
It's bad.
It's really bad. I did not enjoy it.
Yeah.
So I don't think I'd celebrate it. I would if we're just going there and hanging out at that time, but I don't think we're going to drive 6 hours to Sandusky just to celebrate Mean Streak. That would be a mistake. We would drive all the way there to celebrate Maverick or one of the big rides like that, but not for Brutal Twin Mean Streak.
Now we'll have to see, if we don't know when they're going to tell us more about what's coming next. Remember earlier in the year, they had some RMC stuff around there, so maybe that was telling us that ahead of time that, hey, this is going out and we're going to give it the RMC treatment.
Or it could be GCI. We don't know.
They could completely tear the thing down and put something totally different in. They could do a kiddie area for all we know.
But I don't think
it's going to happen either, but I'm hoping for an RMC.
Me too.
It would be, I don't know if any other Cedar Fair parks have an RMC ride now.
Only Six Flags and Dollywood does them, I think.
Kingdom, right? And some of the other ones, but yeah.
But no Cedar Fair, so this would be the first RMC. Then I think it would go to the other Brutal Twin.
What a way to start off your relationship with RMC. Bring it in on an older, with a great layout, a good, big, huge, woody
huge.
Make it smooth. Give it the overbank turns and all that good stuff that people love about RMCs. Right?
glad about this, not just because it's super rough, but also because I found it a bit boring.
Yeah, I mean, so they may do something new. So we'll have to wait and see, though. They haven't announced when they're going to tell us more information about that, but hopefully some more stuff comes out soon, right?
Yep. Make sure to subscribe. And I want to say goodbye and let me know what you think about this.
Oof, oof.
Personally, I think it's terrible. I think it's good.